So that takes us to our next section of marketing, community, and brand. What actually fills that calendar for appointments? IG, TikTok,
Mm,
Snapchat, Google referrals, neighborhood
yeah.
partnerships.
I will say definitely Instagram. I think because the page is dedicated to just the nails that people know where to go when they are looking for those services. And then Instagram, like it always has like the links to your websites or it keeps you up with like different nail trends. We can always repost things that are like popular and
Mm,
like bring that's kind of like what brings people into like if we show them something new, like oh, they wanna try it now. And then I said the links, like, to the websites, new photos that we post, because I feel like that also shows what we're capable of, what we know how to do, and a lot of my clients have said that too before. Like, a lot of my simple nail clients, ones that, like, just got, like, 1 color French tips,
mm,
once they saw my Instagram, they knew what we were
uh,
capable of, and so then they wanted to ask for more. Mhm.
that's cool. That's
Yes.
really, really cool. So do you remember like maybe one time that maybe you posted on Instagram and then you just like had a flood of bookings? And can you just tell me about that moment in time where it was like, oh, social media is like where it's at with
Yeah.
booking?
Definitely when I around homecoming season. Also too, part of it was because I had them put a flyer in the school too, but definitely when I post promotions and things like that, people were going crazy. I just had my 2 years, what's today? On the 4th. I
Oh,
had my 2 years on the 4th.
congrats!
Thank you. And so I had posted like a promotion with like a discount code, and then that's when everybody started posting with the dang discount code. I was like, "Of course." I was like, "It's okay though, like, I
Hmm.
really enjoy this."
Yeah,
Yeah.
it generates so much buzz, right?
Yeah. And then everybody was like, "Congrats, like, I'm so happy for you," and it creates a good energy too.
Totally.
Mhm.
Out of curiosity, how do you turn like happy clients into public proof? Do you find that they promote for you, talk about you?
Yeah.
What makes them, like supporting you? And just want to kind of understand a little bit more about that your special customers that help you
Yeah.
grow.
It's usually like my honestly, nobody's really used to a salon doing such, like, intense artwork like we do, which I think instantly, like, makes them very excited. The clients themselves are just walking advertisements, right?
Hmm.
So, like, if somebody sees their nails, like, "Oh my gosh, like, where'd you get those from?" And then, yeah, I do give my clients, like, business cards and things like that, but the Instagram is also really helpful in that way because most people do already have it. So they
Hmm.
just pull it up, look it up, and then start following. I actually, a couple days ago, this girl that goes to the school, she came to me for the first time and she posted her nails one time. And I probably got like 30 followers just from that one girl. I was like, oh my
That's
gosh, like where have
crazy.
you been? Yeah, it was insane. So and also too, the girls like to post their nails on Instagram and they
Hmm.
do a tag and everything too. So that's kind of like what gets it like running as well.
Totally.
A lot of my girls do work in like communities, like some work in schools, some work
Mm.
in daycares, surrounded by a lot more girls
Hmm.
who like the same thing. And like a lot of them even like I know these honestly, this whole office of girls that come to me, and they always talk about, like, the newest person's nails or something like that during their next meeting, it's so funny. So they're always constantly, like, connecting with each other just from that too.
That's so
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
That's really awesome. It's pretty wonderful.
Yes, it's amazing.